Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can buy premium into your Tuta mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to buy premium into your Tuta mail, you just simply have to open the Tuta mail application. Now, after opening this tab, you can see this trophy icon here. This is the icon for premium Tuta mail. Click into that in order to buy the premium. Now, to upgrade, you can choose two options here. For example, the Revolutionary and Legend option. You will get different benefits on the different plans. Now, in order to purchase, you can choose monthly and yearly packages in both of these plans. Just simply click on this select button in order to select the plan. After doing that, you just simply have to enter your country into here. After entering the country, enter your credit card number into here and enter your credit card's expiration date into here. After doing that, simply enter your card security code into here and click to Next button. After doing that, it will ask for the confirmation into this third tab. After confirming that, your payment will be successfully verified and you can easily purchase or upgrade your account into premium. By following these very easy steps, you can easily purchase or upgrade your Tuta mail into a premium one. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.